Another lens on the world, this one in space, has been shuttered. Today, the Canadian Space Agency said RadarSat-1, an Earth observation satellite, is experiencing technical problems and probably cannot be fixed. Our science correspondent, Bob McDonald, joins us now with the fallout. Is this thing coming down?
No, Peter, it's not going to come down. It's on a very high orbit. It'll take decades before it'll come down, and we'll probably be cleaning up our space junk by then. But nobody's really shedding a tear for RadarSat because it was launched in 1995 and only designed to run for 5 years. So the fact that it just died now it's pretty good, pretty far beyond its warranty.
I'll say 18 years almost. What did it do?
Well, what RadarSat did was that it was on a very special orbit that went around the Earth in a north-south direction like this. And as it does that, the Earth turns underneath it. So over 14 times a day it goes around the planet and it sees the entire surface of the Earth. But because it uses radar, it can work at night and it can see through clouds. So it can see the Earth anytime, anywhere. We have some rather amazing images. It showed us Cape Breton Island in exquisite detail. Then it did these really big mosaics that showed us all of Canada. It did all of Africa, all of Australia. But it can also see in high resolution down to about 30 meters on the ground. And we have some images of the Red River flood that happened in Winnipeg in 1997, and this is the kind of thing it can look at. It can see changes in the Earth, whether it's natural disasters, forest fires, climate change, losing ice. This is the kind of thing that it did, and it operated as a business. You can actually buy images from RadarSat, so it's a satellite that paid for its own way. That's why 60 countries were involved in the project. So it was really quite great, and now it's going to be succeeded by RadarSat-2, which has already been up there for several years. So its legacy will continue.
I'll say. Good to hear. Good to talk to you, Bob. Bob McDonald in Victoria, BC tonight.